Morning student. Good morning class. Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Students, in the last class we have just introduced you about the chapter that is the air. In that we have also studied about the composition of the atmosphere. So, composition of atmosphere means what? We have the nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, oxygen, argon and hydrogen. So, they are the composition of the atmosphere, in which nitrogen is the most plentiful gases in the air, oxygen is the second most plentiful gases in the air, then we have the carbon dioxide is another important gas. So we have just through this we understood about the composition of the atmosphere. So student, today we will just read about the structure of the atmosphere. So structure of the atmosphere means what? That means we have to understood about the part, that is how the atmosphere are just constructed. Okay, this is the structure. So our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. Our atmosphere is divided into the 5 layers of the atmosphere. They are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay. So first you just see the diagram here also. The diagram just you can see. The first you have what? The troposphere, then you have the stratosphere, then you have the mesosphere, then thermosphere and then you have the exosphere. So children, first we will understood about the troposphere. So this layer, this troposphere is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Other than that, mesosphere, then your stratosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay, and its average height is what? 13 kilometer, and here the air we breathe exists only in this troposphere. So almost all the weather phenomena, just like your rainfall, fog and hailstorm, occur in the troposphere. Now the second layer, that is the stratosphere. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere. That means above it we have what? Troposphere. Above the troposphere we have what? The stratosphere. And its height is up to 50 kilometer. And this layer is almost free from cloud and associated weather phenomena, and making conditions so that most of the ideal for flying aeroplanes in this stratosphere. So one more important feature of this atmosphere is that it contains a layer of ozone gases. So that we have just learned that how to protect us from the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. So this stratosphere protects us from that. Okay. Now the third layer, that is the mesosphere. This is the third layer and it lies above the stratosphere. Okay. So where it lies above the stratosphere, and it extends up to the height of 80 kilometers, student. But meteoroids burn up in this layer on entering from the space. Getting my point? Now we have the another 2 layers, that is the thermosphere as well as the exosphere. So we will discuss about this in the next class. So children, in the homework you just draw the structure of the atmosphere. Thank you class.